Yes, I'm back. Yes. We are discussing about this application navigation menu. This is a application navigation search. Application navigation search. Here you are able to search only for applications and modules. Here you are able to search only for applications and modules. Okay. And next. So these are the applications. We can say these are the applications and models. So if you find the arrow should be like this. If you find arrow should be like this. That is the application, and it will be in some bold color. Okay, it will be in some bold color. You can see, maybe I will open self-service. If you open self-service, like you are able to find some difference, right? So for this business application dashboards and for this self-service, no, self-service, you can see you have some difference, and you are easily identify with this icon. You are able to identify with this icon, and the application name should be something different comparatively models. Okay, and for example, we will use regularly use incident. For example, will you regularly use incident? You can see under self-service application, we have incidents, watched instance. These two are the modules. Okay. Next, for example, service desk is the application. Under service desk, we have instance. This is module. So here you can see here incident is the application. Under instance, create new, assign to me, open, unassigned, resolved, all, overview, critical instance map, and even administration, instance properties, instance ATF suits. These all are the modules. Again, you can see here you are able to see this icon, but this is within the application only. So we are calling it as module only. This administration is also a module within the instant application. Got it? Any queries from this identifying application or module or like application navigation such? Any queries? No, I have received. Okay, fine.
So you said the arrow down shows that um, indicates that this application and you know
Module.
module, but and when it came to the administration, it
Mm.
has a arrow down, but it's not an application; it's a model.
Yes. Yes, Victoria. So here, for example, this is an application. These two are the model. This is an application. This is model. This is an application. These all are the models based upon this arrow. And when you click on something, if it is application, it should be expanded and hiding. Okay, got it.
Okay.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
that is an application. Under that, so we have modules. Now I'm navigating to form. So for example, I'm opening instant all. So you can see this is a list view. This is we are calling as list view. 1 minute. This area we are calling as list view. This area we are calling as list view. This area we are calling as list view. Okay. This area we are calling as list view. 1 minute.
Did you say list view?
Yes, list view. Or we can
Okay.
also call as list. List
Okay.
or list view. We are calling as. Okay. So generally they will say you can navigate to the list. you can open this record. They will say like that. Or somebody tells us, you can go to the list view of this particular table and you can search for this record. They will say like this. List or list view, both are same. Okay. And within this list view, we can see all the options. Wait. Here we have three dots icon, right? Here we have three dots icon. This icon we are calling as hamburger menu. This icon we are calling as hamburger menu. This icon we are calling as hamburger menu. This is a filter, list filter. You can see, you can able to filter the data by using this list filter. Okay, this is a filter icon. This is a filter icon. Like this is a questionary kind. This is a questionary kind, this message icon. But generally, I feel I haven't used any time this message icon. Recently, with Xnado, we have seen this message icon. Okay, I think in even Washington also there. This is a hamburger menu. This is a hamburger menu. This is a filter icon. This is a search navigator. So whatever, for example, within the short description, I'm trying to search for keyword access, for example. I want to search for keyword access. You can select short description here and you can type a star ACCESS. Then what it will search? Short description contains access. Okay, for example, I'm searching. You can see short description contains access. So here I have given star access. If we remove the star, short description starts with the access. Okay, like this we'll search. This is a search icon, or we can also utilize these search icons based upon our interest. We will use this is also search icon. This is also search for searching the data. Okay, next you can come to here. This we are calling as this gear icon. This gear icon we are calling as personalized list. This gear icon we are calling as personalized list. And all these things, team, all these things I will provide you in the document also. I will provide you in the document also. No worries about that. So maybe like you are continuing the classes for 1 week or 10 days. You are familiar with all these words. Okay, you are familiar with all these words. No worries. Okay, you can see this gear icon we are calling as personalized list. This gear icon we are calling as personalized list. And you can see, so when we click on that personalized list, this is the available slush bucket. This is a selected slush bucket. This area we are calling a slush bucket. This area we are calling a slush bucket. I'm just moving my mouse pointers. You can see this area we are calling a slush bucket, available slush bucket, selected slush bucket. Okay, and this is hot icon. You can say this is activity stream icon. And if something is changed in the data, this will be it will show in the blue color. It will show in the blue color. You can say this is the activity string. I'm just removing the activity string. This is list choice action. This drop down we are calling as list choice action. List choice action. This drop down we are calling as list choice action. Okay. This we are calling as list header buttons. This we are calling as list header buttons. List header buttons. This area we are calling as list header buttons. Okay. And I'm taking you this area, this entire area we are calling as list header. This entire area we are calling as list header. This entire area we are calling as list header. Okay. And
Can you write that out? List what? Can you write that out, please?
list header.
List header.
Yeah. list header. Okay. Okay. List header. This area, for example, I'm doing some filtering here. Show matching. For example, here I'm filtering with the priority 5. So this we are calling as, this area we are calling as breadcrumb bar. Breadcrumb bar. Okay. I will note down that keyword also, breadcrumb bar. Okay. This area we are calling as breadcrumb bar. Breadcrumb bar. Okay, this area we are calling as breadcrumb bar. Okay, whatever the data we are filtering here, you are able to see that filter within the breadcrumb bar. So again, I'm going to filter something. You can say survey user, show matching. You can say filter is adding. Okay. Maybe inquiry. I will select category as inquiry, show matching. You can see this breadcrumb bar is changing every time. Based on whatever the data we are filtering, it will show in the breadcrumb bar. Okay, will show in the breadcrumb bar. Got it, everybody? Next. So these are the list columns. These are the list columns. Okay, these are the list columns. Number, open, short description, color. This we are calling as list columns. Okay. This we are calling as records. This is one record. This is one record. This is one record. You can see. This is one record. This is one record. This is one record, like this. Okay. This we are calling as records. So like when we hover on the record, so you are able to see some information icon kind. You are able to see some information kind, icon kind. This we are calling as preview icon. This we are calling as preview icon. When you click on this icon, you are able to see preview of this particular record in a form. Okay. When you click on this preview icon, you are able to see kind of form, preview icon. If we scroll down, this area we are calling as a pagination. This area we are calling as a pagination. Okay, this area we are calling as a pagination. So next page, last page, previous page, first page. Okay, these icons. So now we are seeing 1 to 20 records of 67 records. This is a pagination. And here you can see top bottom corner, you can see history icon, history. This is clock icon or history icon. So what this history icon represents? So for loading of this particular list view, for loading of this particular form view, how much time it has taken for loading time. It will tell us how much time it is taken to load the form. Got it? Yes. You can click anywhere in the list. You can right click anywhere in the list. For example, here I'm clicking like this. Maybe here I clicked on this number field, or maybe I clicked on this hamburger menu. Maybe I have clicked somewhere within the list. You are able to see something is opening. This we are calling as list context menu. This we are calling as list context menu. This we are calling as list context menu. Okay. Yes. And so sometimes we are able to see within the list, we are able to see some links. That links we are calling as reference links on list. Okay. This list don't contains that link. Okay. Yes. This is about list. Here you have any queries, please let me know. Then I will move to the form. Any queries here? Any queries? Ashok, Aji, Deepika?
No.
Subbu is Subramanyam. Usha, Saujanya, Satish. Okay,
From my side, it's clear.
okay, perfect. Then I'm opening one form. We can see the form options. This we are calling as a form. So basically within the form, we are able to see single record information. In the list, we are able to see all the data at a time. This we are calling as form. This we are calling as form. You can see this is a hamburger menu again. This is a hamburger menu. Hamburger menu. This is actual. Sorry. If you are not talking, please mute yourself. So you can see this is a hamburger menu again. This three dots, three lines icon, hamburger menu. Like if some menus are opening, these menus we are calling as form context menus. If this menu is from form, then we are calling as form context menu. If it is from list, we are calling it as list context menu. Context menus, form context menu. Okay. And form header buttons. These are the form header buttons. Okay. This three dots icon will tell us like writing email to the requester or templates. You can see, I'm just clicking on email. I'm just clicking on email. It will open one draft email. Okay, it will open one draft email, and you can send email to the requester or anybody. We can say this we are calling as client email. This we are calling as client email. So here, when we click on email, it will open one draft email that we are calling as client email. Okay, and toggle template bar. So you can see. So when we click on toggle template bar, it will show templates. If again we click on toggle template bar, it will hide the templates. Okay. This is toggle. And these are the form header buttons. Form header buttons. And this area we are calling as form header. This area we are calling as form header. Okay. Yes, this we are calling as form header. Next. These we are calling as columns. This is one column or field. We can say column or field. This number is one field, color is one field, category is one field, subcategory is one field. The short description, channel, state, impact, urgency. These all are the columns or fields in the form. Okay, fields. Next. This is hierarchy icon. This is hierarchy icon. When you click on this hierarchy icon, related to that particular user, related to this particular user, it will show all the instance with front loading. Color is front loading, you can see. Again, this is a preview icon. Again, this is a preview icon. Okay. So this we are calling as magnified glass icon. Somebody will say search icon. Somebody will say magnify. You can click on magnified glass. They will say, okay, this is that search icon or magnified glass icon. Okay. Next. If we scroll down, these are the form sections. Form sections. Here notes is one form section. Related records is one form section. Resolution information is form section. Okay. Notes, related records, resolution information. Here we have three form sections. This we are calling as form sections. If we scroll up, maybe I will take one new incident. 1 minute. If I am typing something here, for example, ACCESS, maybe if I am typing something here we will get some results based on what we are typing here. Based upon the keywords we are typing here, we will get some results. This we are calling as related search results. This area we are calling as related search results. Okay. This area we are calling as related search results. Based upon the keyword entered here, the search results will appear. Okay. Next. This we are calling as activities area. This we are calling as activities area. If you are modifying something within the form level, everything will be captured in these activities. Okay. Everything will be captured in these activities. Okay. You can scroll down. This we are calling as related links. Even this related links also available in the list views. Okay. This area we are calling as related list link. Related link. These buttons we are calling as form bottom buttons. Form bottom buttons we can call. Okay, these are the form header buttons. These are called form bottom buttons. These are the form related list. This task SLE is one related list. Affected CI is one related list. Impacted service CS is one related list. Child instance is one related list. This we are calling as related list. Okay. And again, here you have history icon. So you can, when you click on this history icon, it will tell us how much time it is taken to load the form and which area, for example, connecting to servers, how much time it is taken, loading the form to the user, how much time it has taken. It will display all this information. Okay. And I already prepared a document for this user interface. We can see once. Okay. I hope I have covered everything from the user interface. And we can see document once again. You can see this is content frame. This is content frame. Banner frame. Banner frame. Application navigation bar or application navigation menu. Okay. Application navigation search. Favorites. History. Global search. These are the applications. Then modules. Okay, under application we have modules. Okay, instance logo, instance name. I think I forgot about this instance name. You can come here when you when you hover on this instance logo, you are able to see instance name. This instance name is service management. This instance name is service management. When you hover on the instance logo, you are able to see Servicenow instance name. This instance name is service management. Okay. And user profile. I thought I'm going to explain you this impensate user tomorrow. You can see. When you click on this user profile, we have impensate user. If you want to log in to the other users indirectly without their credentials. So for example, here we have Abel Tutor. If I want to log into the Abel Tutor account indirectly without his credentials, we have to use impensate user option. Okay. And next. Settings or preferences. Tomorrow we are going to see these settings and preferences. Even impensate user also tomorrow we are going to see. This impensate user, these preferences also we are going to see in tomorrow session. You can say I just clicked on preferences. Yeah, these are the preferences. We have different options here. We'll see in tomorrow. Next, support chat, that icon. Help icon, list view. This is list, this is form. Okay. A hamburger menu, fields or columns, form sections, form header, buttons, attachments icon. If you go to the any form, you are able to find the attachment icon, this attachment icon. Okay. Form context menus, related links, related list, work notes, that means activities. Okay. List header, list context menu, personalized list. Okay. So basically earlier personalized list icon should be here below to the filter. Now it will be in the top right on the list header. Next, filter icon. This is filter, breadcrumb bar, list choice action. This is list choice action. Okay. Application picker, update set picker. When we click on globe icon, When you click on globe icon, you are able to see application picker and update set picker. You can see application picker and update set picker. Okay, application picker, update set picker. Slush bucket. This is slush bucket. Yeah, these are the user interface options. These are the user interface options. Okay. So any queries here we can note down. Any queries here we can note down. So maybe for today class, I'm stopping here. Okay. In tomorrow class, we have to discuss about user preferences. Next, elevated role. Next, impersonate user. And some kind of introduction. Before introduction, basic configurations. Yes, I see, basic configurations. This we are discussing in tomorrow session. Impersonate user preferences, elevated role, basic configurations. If we have time, we will start introduction like history. Again, history. What are the versions in Servicenow? What are the models in Servicenow? How the environments looks like in the real time. Okay, this kind of info. And what are the useful website links for learning the Servicenow? This we are going to discuss in tomorrow's session. So if anybody not sent your details till now, so please share your details on immediate basis. Okay, then only you will receive your class notes and daily recorded videos to your Google Drive. Okay. Otherwise, you will not receive class notes and recorded videos, and I will not allow you to the classes. So this is the third class. Yeah, is somebody starts with the B dot Abhinaya. I think Abhinaya shared the details. Ashok, have you shared your details? I hope not.
No.
Please share your details
Yeah.
if you want to continue. Okay. I think Ajri. So I just saw you have shared your details. Deepika shared your details. Gurram Lakshmi Sai. Yes, you are existing student and you can send me the details again. Hari Prashant, I think you have shared your details, right, Hari?
Have you seen my email now?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Did you say yes? You saw my
Yeah.
email?
Yeah, I have seen your email.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, yes, Abhinaya, I have seen your details, and actually, I think on Friday, right? I think on Friday you have shared your details late. So that's what you haven't received the class notes and Google Drive videos link. Okay. Today definitely you will receive. Hari shared the details. I have seen his name. Hari Prashant. Jaya received the details. And next, Lata, I have received the details. Mahendra, I think I haven't received your details. You can share your details to my mail ID. Okay, I think you said you are existing student. Saidulu, I have seen your details in WhatsApp. You can send your details to email ID. Satish, I'm not found your details. You have to share your details if you want to continue. Okay, if you want to continue. Satish, you are not shared your details.
Yes, I sent the details through this chat.
No, you can send your details to that mail ID. Okay.
Okay.
Once the class is completed, then I don't have access to this Zoom chat. Saujanya, I think old student. Again, you can share your details to my mail ID. Subbu, is that Subbu is Subramanyam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you
Yeah,
can.
I'm Subramanian.
Yeah, you can send your details to my mail ID. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, I have received details from Usha. Yeah, even I have received details from Victoria. Yeah, then we are good. So if you have any queries, please ask me. Satish, you can
sir.
send your details to my mail ID. My mail ID. Okay. And team, yeah, okay. Any feedback for these three classes? If I'm going speed, if I'm going very slow, or maybe you are not understanding something, please let me know.
It's good, sir.
Okay. Like any suggestions or any feedbacks for these three classes, please let me know. If I want to change something, definitely I will change from the tomorrow class. It may be speed or very slow, whatever it is. Maybe if you are not able to understand this particular area. Okay. Yeah, okay, then we are good. Okay. So tomorrow again we will connect at 6 a.m. with the same meeting ID, same password. And for Google, so in the class notes only, I have received, I have sent you the Google Drive link. Okay. You can just click on that Google Drive link and you are able to see the folder name called Batch 25 Administration. Yeah, Ajit, today you will receive that Google Drive link and class notes. Okay, you just share the details.
Okay, I was going to ask. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Then thank you. Yeah, when you click on that Google Drive link from your class notes mail, you are able to see one folder called Batch 25 Administration. If you open that Batch 25 Administration, you are able to see the different folders with the dates. For example, today's folder, you are able to see 0409-2024. You will see the folder name called 0409-2024. When you click on that folder, you are able to see two videos. First 40 hours video and then next 40 hours video. Okay. Yeah, then we are good. Thank you so much. We'll meet tomorrow with the same meeting ID and same password. And like we already completed 3 classes.